Bruce sees all.
I could almost say I've become annoyed seeing them rise. All by myself here. Hey, how you doing? How about a flash? Not that anyone's gonna care. May 30th. UFOs still rising. People outside in their yards having fires, playing music, having parties, while I film UFOs rising. It's so early that, and cloudy, by the way. You can still see that it's so cloudy and they're still rising up. What does that tell us? Record more UFOs rising up, which is completely ridiculous when you think of it. Almost doesn't make any sense. So the UFOs are going to start rising up and start going completely to the left. Some rising straight up, changing directions. And even one that was flashing me in the Milky Way, I point up and I say, please show yourself. And it appears. Yep. Wow. Okay. UFO flashing me in the sky. Watch this. Appear for me, please. And flash out of nowhere. Where is it? Playing tricks on me. Flashing in the Milky Way. A UFO. There you go. I love you so much. That's the proof I needed. I just told my community I'm going to point up to the stars and that they're flashing, and there you are. Incredible. And it was flashing a lot. It was flashing stationary, actually. Can you stop for us too? I don't want to exaggerate. Really happy for the flashes. Yep. I say you. What a nice big flash for us. I know I ask a lot. Interesting. We found it. It was invisible, then we saw it. Another cool video. May 30th. With UFOs rising up in the back here. Let's see. Yep, there we go. More proof, guys. Hey, rising up from the same tree line. Every night. There it is. I have access to an incredible world here, I tell you. Looking at UFOs on March 30th, rising up. Sorry, May 30th. Incredible, guys. It really is incredible. Just in my backyard. We'll leave that right there beside the tree low in the sky and see how many more rise up. Thanks for watching, everyone. So should we stop it there and restart it? No, we'll leave it run a bit. More UFOs up there. Yes, there is. I'm not going to cut this, I'm going to leave it there. I just asked for them and they appear out of freaking nowhere, flashing in the sky. Beautiful. Watch, top right corner, that one, but look again, top right corner again, another one's going to flash. There it is, coming in, it's flashing. It's like, hey, wait for me, you got me out of screen. They're all over the sky. This was upwards into the Milky Way, and that's why you see it's a lot clearer, right? I'm deliberately upping the exposure too so that I could see any type of light, the different levels of light that the infrared can go and capture. It's a great tool to be able to see what's in the sky. So now we're going to head back over without any cuts, by the way. No need to cut and pretend that I'm spontaneously getting UFOs. They're there. It's every minute when I ask for them. So let's go back to the area where I was filming. You'll see they don't stop. They rise, they rise, they rise, and they rise all night, and they rise every night, and they've been rising since the end of 2022, and more. I've been being blocked. See? Look.
It's awesome to show this. This one's going straight up. This one wants to go straight up. Up, up, and away. Look at that, straight up in the sky. And there's clouds too. They're rising up over here. They are, guys. Up to the left. Wanted to see if they were rising over here, and they are. Oh, what's that? That was a bat, right? I think. Did you see that take off really fast? Flapping its wings. With an infrared camera, guys, you can see a whole slew of things. Bats, birds, phenomena, photons, lights like this UFO going up towards the left. Hey there. Any more coming up from that same region? A famous building. Always been showing it. Go back to the tree line. Right here. I'm sure there's already some. We'll see them rising up right there. There we go. There's one. I'll leave that right there, guys, so we can see this. It's incredible rising up from the trees. It's ridiculous. There we go. Look at them rise. Ridiculous. See, there's ink. Any more on this side? There are. There's two of them now. One rising straight up fast, and one going off to the right. See them? Get brighter for us so we can see you. Get brighter so we can see you. There we go. Bring us to your leader. Or friends. Look at that. That's over here now. There you go, another one. It's right over here. Right over our building. Our famous UFO building, right? How low are they coming up again? Always usually very low. We got more activity rising up from that region. This is pretty serious. There's another one rising up to the left, by the way. We're seeing changes in direction. Showed you several going up the other way. Always in my same region here, by the way. It's always by the tree in the building. And there's our famous helicopters that come by to see what's going on. They're there. They're here. And when they arrive here, it's when the UFOs start rising. On a clear night, they have missions to come and check them out for sure, because we're seeing hundreds of them rise. Look at them. Look at them go. Right there in the sky. Alright, let's leave it right there and see how many rise up here. Let's see right there, right in the front of the light. Let's see how many rise. Stop it, restart it. See any lights? Should see a whole bunch rising. There it is. Well, they're brighter too. We want to get those bright ones. Thank you so much, guys. Get the bright ones. There's another one there. I'm going to start being more active again. And when that happens, well, you'll see a lot of helicopters flying by. And you'll see a lot of them appearing. They're fast too. Whoop, third one. There we go. Look at that. Is it ever bright? Yet more going up the other way. Another one going up, crossing path that just appeared out of nowhere. Right beside it. There's a portal. Portal right here in the back of my yard where UFOs are coming out of. There's another one. Amazing. Nice and bright for us. Where are they coming up again? Pretty low. They're rising up. There you go. From all angles. This is nuts. Again, by the tree. Since I'm here too. So let's go over here. We're looking at this area. There's the planes, I'm telling you. Planes, helicopters, UFO rising over top, see? Another amazing video here tonight. You guys will be watching it this morning.
I hope you saw that. Pretty sure none of you did. Look at the plane or helicopter. Over top there's a UFO that is literally following its exact movement. Okay, it's just over top, and watch the flash coming from it. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. You're going to see it. It's about to throw out 3 lights, an explosion right beside the craft towards the plane. Ready? Boom. Now did you see it? Let's go back and look at it slowed down even closer. Now the UFO shoots out a light, so I'm going to go slow motion and I'm going to show you. The UFO is over top there, and we're going to see the 3 lights being shot out. I've caught this hundreds of times. It's happening here. Nobody's showing this. Nobody shows UFOs shooting out fucking lights, but this one is shooting out the lights, and it shot out 3 lights, or 3 lights appeared next to it. But again, look at the scenario, look at the real scenario, and look at what's happening. And there's an airplane or helicopter just underneath. They're observing each other, for sure, if not both. And what's that other flash over top? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a 4th flash. Oh, hang on. Let's go forward and backwards again. Yeah, something's shooting at the UFO. There's lights that appear over top of it too. There'll be 3 underneath it. There's a 3, and look at the one over top. See it? There's 3 there, and there's another one over top. There's the UFO with the 3 dots, and over top another light appears. So at the same time, there's 4 lights appearing in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that incredible? What's that about?
On May 31st, 6 days from camping. Hope some of you will come and join me. So UFOs rising over this building again. Big lights. Yeah, it's a serious evening. With it rising up, lots of them. Rising up fast from where? That's the region, eh? Over the trees there. Yep. There's another one rising up, going up to the left, by the way. I'm going to document some of the lights rising up towards the left. Important to document. Yeah, what are you looking at, eh? Bunch of bloody hypocrites you all are. I'm not talking about the extraterrestrials. I'm talking about the pathetic ones running the military in Canada and the US.
Every day I will ask for flashes. You saw me just come out of the house running. I come out of the house, I say, anybody up there, and look what happens. And they flash at me, they reply to me. I've recorded it hundreds of times. Watch what comes up from the bottom of the screen. Pretty cool. Check it out. Bright UFO coming down the land. Number 12 lands right in the same area of the UFO crash. 3 crashes that occurred just a couple of weeks ago. And it's descending in the sky, as bright as hell, only seen with the infrared camera. These are all entirely invisible to the naked eye to everyone in town here. Hundreds of UFOs every night that I can document. And you're going to see some. There's one that went up again, up towards the left. One went to the right, and one going straight up. A second one going straight up. Lots of them are flashing. As you're going to see another one flash me as it's rising. We're going to take our time here. There's another flash. Did you see that one? Just flashed me. And that was on a time lapse. We went up fast. They're flashing me. Watch the ones that are going to come up on the bottom left right about now. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. I know some of you have. If you enjoy this research, these videos are extremely long to do, as you all know, I'm sure. Take the time to subscribe. It helps the algorithm. It helps all creators on YouTube when you take the time to subscribe to the channels that you love. I love you guys. Thank you very much. So more UFOs have risen up from the ground in May, many times during May, and June 1st tomorrow. Are you ready for the events? It's coming. Thanks again. Paul Sabo, Pat Yassar, Darla Lama, Ruth Kelly, everyone who contributed, gifting out the memberships, and every way you have, Kristen Kruger, Michelle Preston. Thank you so much for the generous contributions, everyone.
Thank you, Eric Dubé. Merci pour tout.
Aliens on the moon. When are they going to tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining. Really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.